Alright, so in today's video, we are going to be stepping into fresh waters, and some of you might have already heard of it. And this is a pathway to, develop new skills and become employable in just 6 weeks. We are talking about a very new and innovative way to launch into the IT sector, if this is something you're considering or you're currently in the IT space. So there's eligibility requirements for this. These roles, you can expect an entry-level salary between 20,000 to 35,000 pounds per year. So for the cost of this, which is one of the juicy parts of it, is that it is completely free. Hello lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Omotola. If you're new here, you are more than welcome. Please do want to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is at least or once every week. So here on this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK. I also talk about my job centered around healthcare, and I bring you updates regarding the UK immigration from time to time. Alright, so in today's video, we are going to be stepping into fresh waters, and since the study route is kind of shaking leg right now, and we are talking about a very new and innovative way to launch into the IT sector, if this is something you're considering or you're currently in the IT space, this is for you. Alright, so there's something called the Skill Bootcamp, and some of you might have already heard of it, and this is a pathway to, develop new skills and become employable in just 6 weeks. Now, this is something the UK government is doing, and I think a lot of people should jump on it and, kind of get on the IT path, because it is looking very promising. It's kind of a scarce skill right now, and a lot of people are getting employed, through this means, and are getting really good pay. So this is a very lucrative pathway for you to get settled and, be able to work on your own terms. A lot of people are doing this self-employed. A lot of people are doing this with employers. So it is something to really consider. All right, so let's just get into it. So Skills Bootcamp are a 6-week course that boosts your employability by developing your data skills. Now, at the end of the course, you are then fast-tracked into a guaranteed interview. The bootcamps are part of the government's lifetime skill guarantee and an innovative design to teach people skills for life. They have been specifically created by adults who want to upskill quickly and gain in-demand digital abilities such as data analytics and data marketing. So there's eligibility requirements for this, and you have to be over the age of 19 to qualify. You also have to be eligible to live and work in the UK, meaning that you have to have a valid visa and also have the right to work here in the UK. You also have to be looking to progress in your current sector, or looking to change jobs or employer, or you could currently be employed or self-employed and be looking for a new challenge, or you're recently unemployed and actively searching for jobs. All right, so the time for this is 6 weeks, like I said before. There's also a 60-hour guided learning, and this is virtual, so it's kind of self-paced. So you must also commit to approximately 10 hours of live online guided learning a week, which comes down to about 2 hours for about 5 days in a week. And this is mandatory. So for the cost of this, which is one of the juicy parts of it, is that it is completely free. I mean, you are learning skills for life completely free, and it's also guaranteed that you will have an interview upon completion of this 6-week program. So if you are taking the course yourself and not through your employer, and as long as you meet the eligibility criteria, Skills Bootcamp are fully funded by the government, and I do not think that this qualifies under public funds, so anyone can apply. All right. So the structure for this is that it is 100% online, and it's flexible. The live classes and webinars, so you grow your network, and you also get mentored by the best in business. There's group projects, there's graduation, interview upon completion, and then there's a dedicated career team or system. So if this is something you are interested in, I will leave a link to this bootcamp in the description box below, so please do well to click on it and start as soon as possible. Also, the weeks are kind of broken down, and this is what you are expected to come across in the 6 weeks. So throughout the program, you will be put into groups, project groups, with whom you will work to develop a business idea and put into practice all the learnings from the modules. So for week 1, you're getting started, you're getting to make your first steps towards getting a role in the digital economy. So week 2 is adapt and innovate. You deep dive into adaptive thinking and customer centricity. You will explore the lean canvas business model framework and how to design an MVP, which is medium valuable products. So week 3, the importance of data. It's time to really get to grips with data and its importance for a data business. Week 4, you have customer first marketing, and then week 5, you have the finance fundamentals or commercials, and then week 6 is joining the workspace, and then by this time it's time to secure your dream job in the digital economy. The program culminates with the presentation of your group project and a business pitch and graduation. You will then be fast-tracked to an interview with an employer. Also, it is important to know the kind of jobs that you might be considered for upon completion of this course. You are likely to find a job as a digital marketer, a customer success manager, marketing executive, onboard analyst, product executive, business analyst, business operations executive, operations analyst, data practitioner, research analyst, data analyst, the list goes on, but that's what's been highlighted here. This is actually very quite mouth-watering for someone considering a future in data analytics and data marketing, digital marketing. This is something to really consider. And the last point I'll be raising today is, if nothing that I've said so far attracts you, this is something to consider. So if nothing I've said so far intrigues you, let this last point that I'm going to say take you home and let it sell you on the matter. So for these roles, you can expect an entry-level salary of about 20,000 to about 35,000 pounds per year. So you guys, what are you waiting for? I mean, this is very good. I believe a lot of international students can also jump on this and be able to skill up and get jobs in the tech space. Yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. Do well to leave me a huge thumbs up if you found this video helpful in any way. It does a lot to help analytics and get other people to see this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.